In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle errors in Flow using Fault Path. We'll build a simple record-triggered flow in Salesforce, then wire in a fault path so the flow can catch issues and notify someone instead of failing silently. Start by logging into Salesforce and heading to Setup. Open the Advanced Setup view so you're on the full Setup home. In the Quick Find box, type Flows and open it. From here, choose Triggered Automations. This area groups flows that start automatically, so it's perfect for monitoring and handling data operations. Create a new record-triggered flow. This kind of flow runs when a record is created or updated, giving you a reliable place to control logic and catch errors. On the flow canvas, set the object to Account. Now add your first element by clicking the plus icon and selecting Get Records. Give it a clear label. Salesforce will autofill the API name for you. Choose Account as the object to query. Next, set the filters. For this example, filter where industry equals construction, then add another condition for annual revenue greater than or equal to 1 million. Choose to store all records so you have access to the full result set if needed. Clear labels and predictable storage settings make troubleshooting much easier. Now, open the menu on the Get Records element and add a fault path. A fault path is the special error route an element follows if something goes wrong, like a permission issue or an unexpected query error. Instead of the flow stopping abruptly, the fault path lets you run alternate actions, log the problem, or alert a user. Click the plus on the fault path and choose Send Email. This action sends a message when the Get Records step fails, so people know there's an issue to investigate. Add a label, the API name fills in automatically. Set the recipient address. You can target a specific address or pull an email field from the triggering account context, depending on your data model and who should be notified. Then compose the email content. Add a concise subject and a clear body that explains the flow name, the step that failed, and any helpful context. Keep it actionable so the recipient knows what to check next. Click Save. Provide a descriptive flow label. The API name will be generated for you. Finally, save and activate the flow so it can run. Quick recap. You created a record-triggered flow on account, queried records with Get Records, added precise filters, and, most importantly, configured a fault path that sends an email when something goes wrong. This pattern helps you catch errors early and respond fast. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.